Hi everyone. Hello. Assalamualaikum. Teacher Mars here. Okay, today we are going to do on meals of the day. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Hello dear student, welcome to our online class. I hope you are ready as I am to start learning and have fun. Before we start, let me tell you the objectives for today's lesson. Okay, by the end of this lesson, pupils will be able to identify the meal of the day by listing out the list of food, okay? And then you will be able to name 3 food for each of the meal correctly. Choose and group the list of the food according to the meal. Okay, I'm going to tell you the review of the task for today first. Okay, as usual, I will give you 2 tasks. Okay, the first task is the Google form task where you need to choose the correct food for the correct meal. Okay, and then the second task is the worksheet task where you can copy or print it out and do it in your W book. Okay, the worksheet is the listing of the food for each of the meal. Okay, I'm going to teach you what the meal is. Do you know what meals means? Okay, how many times do you eat a day? Normally, we eat 3 times, right? We eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But some of the parts before dinner, sometimes we have a cup of tea. That's one we call a high tea, okay? Or later at night, after dinner, we call it supper. But today I'm going to teach you about the meal on breakfast, lunch and dinner, the main meal that we have every day. Okay, meals are an occasion when food is served or eaten, especially breakfast, lunch or dinner. This is our normal meal. Okay, let's talk about breakfast first. Okay, this one I've shown you is a few of the list we ate in the morning. Okay, so you have to remember. Okay, first we eat waffles. Waffles ni macam kepingan waffle ni selalunya negeri-negeri di sebelah barat tu makan. Okay, toast bread, roti bakar, cereal, okay, bijirin, pancake ataupun lempeng kita makan waktu pagi, minum orange juice, milk, okay, kadang-kadang kita makan yogurt, kita makan egg, kadang-kadang half boiled egg, scrambled egg, okay, and then we have our nasi lemak or Malaysian food, roti canai, or sometimes we eat fried rice. This is some of the example normally we eat during our breakfast. We eat in the morning. Okay, breakfast we eat in the morning. Okay, now the list of food that we eat in the afternoon. We call it lunch. Okay, we eat lunch. Lunch we eat normally a heavy food such as steak. Kita makan steak, chicken, kita makan ayam, soup, salmon, fish, ikan, vegetable salad, sayur-sayuran, spaghetti. Spaghetti ni kadang luar negara dia makan spaghetti for lunch. Chicken rice, nasi ayam. Kita minum ice lemon tea. Okay, plain water. Normally ice water or plain water. And then kita boleh makan dessert juga, cake and ice cream during lunch. Dessert pagi-pagi tak mau makan manis-manis ya. Kita boleh makan waktu tengah hari. Okay, so we ate this one during lunch. And there are a few more other food that we ate during lunch. Okay, makan tengah hari. Okay, this we eat during evening or at night. Okay, normally we start eat dinner around 7 to 9 PM. Okay, so kita makan malam dalam pukul 7, paling awal 6 ataupun 7 And the latest is by 9 lah, pukul 9. Kalau dah lambat sangat pukul 10 tu bukan dinner dah, itu kita panggil supper. Okay, so the list of food, sometimes we eat a heavy food for dinner, but sometimes we eat normal food like burger, fried noodles macam mi goreng, bihun goreng, ketiau goreng, and then we have pizza, hot dog, fried chicken and goreng. Sometimes we had nuggets, fries, okay, and sometimes also we had for Malaysia normally we eat nasi with curry chicken, okay, nasi with ayam rendang, okay. And then we can also drink soda malam, okay, and then we drink some coffee or tea, and sometimes we eat sandwich yang ringan-ringan saja, okay, kalau untuk yang diet lah. Okay, these all are food that we normally eat during dinner. Okay, now I'm going to tell you what's our drinks, what are dessert. I think you all already know what types of drinks and desserts we eat all the time. Okay, normally we eat drinks and dessert all the time, especially during lunch and dinner. Okay, some example of desserts are cake, okay, pudding, jelly ni agar-agar, donut, ice cream, okay, and then we drinks boba tea, ada suka minum air boba, jelly, tea, ada ice tea, ada hot tea, coffee also ada hot coffee, ada ice coffee, Milo and so on. Okay, okay, for the task one, okay, for the task one, I've already prepared meal of the day Google form. Okay, you have to choose the picture shown. Okay, I've pick up a few pictures, interesting food, okay, and I put it. You have to choose and answer the question accordingly. Okay, you have to choose the food according to the correct meal lah. Okay, and you have to answer a few of the questions. There are 10 lists of questions. Okay, the second task, okay, this one also I've prepared for you. Alright, what you have to do is, okay, meal of the day, you have to name your favorite food that you normally eat during breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, for breakfast you list 3, 1 food, 1 drink and 1 dessert. Okay, for lunch you write down 1 food, 1 drink and 1 dessert. And for dinner I need you to write 2 foods, 2 drinks and 2 desserts. Okay, so you have to list 3 that you eat during breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, this one you can either print it out or you can just write down or copy and list down, okay, in your W book. Got it? Alright, that's all. I hope you can understand. Do you have any question or do you want some clarifications? Okay, you can always please feel free to contact me, Teacher Ma, through Telegram or WhatsApp. I will, inshallah, will reply your questions. Okay, see you next time. Enjoy yourself. Bye. Assalamualaikum. Take care.